two of the most popular project management tools, but which one truly gets the job done? On one side, the all-in-one ClickUp. On the other, the familiar integrated Microsoft Planner. We're testing them in the ways real teams use them: task tracking, collaboration, integrations, pricing, and more. Let's forget the hype and focus on what actually matters for your workflow. Points will be awarded in each category, and by the finish, you'll know exactly which tool wins. And trust me, the winner might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, before we dive into specifics, here's a big picture mind map of what we're going to look at. We'll compare price, features, and flexibility, integrations, usability, and the whole ecosystem thing. Basically, all the stuff that actually matters when you're picking a tool. Starting off with price. So, Microsoft Planner honestly takes the cake here if you're already in the Microsoft universe. It's bundled right in with Microsoft 365, which lots of businesses already have. No extra charge, so that's pretty slick. ClickUp does offer a free plan, which is nice, and you get some great features on higher tiers, but yeah, if your team's growing, those costs can definitely stack up. So for value, Planner's just the obvious pick if you've got Microsoft 365. Now, features and flexibility. ClickUp is kind of wild here. It's absolutely packed with all these advanced tools. You get task lists, docs, dashboards, automations, like the works, and you can customize views however you like, which is super fun if you're a control freak like me. The only catch? There's definitely a learning curve if you want to use all those funky extras. Microsoft Planner, on the other hand, well, it keeps it really basic. Just Kanban boards, super simple task planning. That's great if you want clean and then complicated, but it just doesn't stack up for power users. So, ClickUp easily wins this round. Let's talk integrations. ClickUp hooks up with almost everything: Slack, Google Drive, Zoom, GitHub, and a ton of others, which is awesome. Although, fair warning, some of the really cool integrations are only on paid plans. Microsoft Planner is all about that tight integration with other Microsoft stuff. Teams, Outlook, to do so. If you live and breathe Office, you'll love it. But outside of that, you don't get much. So, ClickUp's definitely ahead if you want options, but if you're in an all Microsoft office, Planner fits like a glove. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. The original ClickUp logo? Believe it or not, it was designed in just 1 hour. That's some real hustle behind the scenes. Usability. Okay, I'll be real with you. ClickUp looks gorgeous. It's got this modern interface, there's apps for everything. But if you just want to jot down a quick task, sometimes it almost feels like there's too much happening. Microsoft Planner is so simple. Even my tech-phobic uncle could use it. It's made for beginners, lets you whip up tasks in seconds, and you never feel lost. No frills, but also no confusion. So in this case, Planner wins, hands down. Now, ecosystem. If your company breeds Microsoft 365, Planner is basically an extension of your brain. You get all that built-in goodness with Teams, Outlook, OneDrive, you get the picture. ClickUp, while it's available on any platform and does things on its own, honestly just isn't as tightly woven into any one ecosystem. So Planner takes it, though you really, really need to be sold on Microsoft for that to matter. Alright, if you're a visual person like me, let's take a quick look side by side. You can really see where ClickUp spreads its wings in features and integrations. But Planner? You can't beat that price and the sheer ease of use if you're in the Microsoft Club. So, big picture? ClickUp is made for folks who want to dig into complex projects and need all the bells and whistles. But if your team's already neck deep in Microsoft 365 and you just need a simple, no-fuss way to track tasks, Planner's honestly the smoother ride. If you found this helpful, you know what to do. Stick around for more deep dives just like this so you don't miss the next one.